Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I received a package, one from the UK, because I finally joined the 200k Paclock, 200k club, and I will open a Paclock in a minute, so to reprove my worthiness to this nice club. Also got the t-shirt, thank you so much. And I received this Deputy Star from Starrylock. I guess it's part of the Starry's posse, so yeah. Thank you so much, Starry. It will go on my wall over here. And now let's start picking on that Paclock. So let's reset this one. I want to try out for the speed locks also. So 200k and speed locks would be nice. I mean, I already sent in the picture me picking this lock, so fourth set, very nice, I believe. Shit. And we open. Alright, so that's the 200k club. Successfully joined. Now let's, I don't know how fast it was, but we will use it for speed locks. Let's quickly gut this baby. I did organize some Allen keys in inch. I don't know which size I need, but we will find out. It's too big. Alrighty. So I haven't gotten this one, so I don't know what's in here. I should probably trim it. Alright, so it was pin 6, pin 7, this is then 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. let's look at the other pins here. So we got a regular pin here. Got serrated on 6. Got a spool on 5. We got a serrated on 4. Got a spool. Hey, stay here. A spool on 3. Got a serrated, and we got a spool. So we got spool, serrated, spool, serrated, spool, serrated, spool, serrated, spool, serrated, spool. So right here you see it. So the 7 is regular, 6 is serrated, 7 spool, serrated, spool, serrated, spool, serrated. Alright. Well, there it is, there it is. Thank you, Paclock, for sponsoring the logos. Thank you for sending me them from the UK. Thank you, Starry, for the Deputy Sheriff badge. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.